In a vast, verdant meadow, a single cow named Bess wandered. She was different from the others, for she had a peculiar horn on her head, curving gracefully like the crescent moon. One day, Bess noticed a newborn calf, struggling in the mud, overlooked by its mother and the herd. In her heart, Bess felt a stirring of compassion. She walked towards the calf, braving the disapproving glances of her fellow cattle. The calf was cold, shivering, and weak. Bess gently licked the calf clean, offering it her warmth. The calf looked up at Bess with grateful eyes, and Bess felt a sense of purpose she had never known before. The herd, however, was not pleased with Bess's actions. They saw her as different, as one who disregarded the rules of the meadow. They began to ostracize her, turning their backs whenever she approached. Bess, undeterred, continued to care for the calf. Day by day, the calf grew stronger, and Bess found a new sense of joy in her life. She realized that helping the calf was not just about obeying a whim, it was about doing what was right, regardless of what others thought. One day, a terrible storm swept across the meadow. The herd huddled together, terrified and cold. Bess, however, was nowhere to be found. Instead, she was with the calf, shielding it from the rain and wind. When the storm passed, the herd found Bess and the calf, safe and dry. They looked at Bess with new eyes, seeing not just the cow with the peculiar horn, but a friend, a protector, and a true leader. From that day forward, Bess was no longer the outcast. She was respected and loved by all. And the calf, now grown and strong, would often return to Bess, reminding her of the day she saved his life and of the lesson she taught them all, that true strength lies not in conformity, but in compassion and courage.